Not everyone who walks with you is walking for you. Samantha and Shrija had been inseparable since college. They shared food when they had no money, notes when they skipped classes, and dreams when the future felt uncertain. Late-night chai breaks, shared hostel rooms, and endless conversations about success tied them together. They promised each other one thing, that no matter where life took them, they would never become strangers. Years passed, and life tested them in different ways. Samantha struggled to find a stable job, but Shrija supported her without judgment. When Shrija lost her father, Samantha stayed by her side through sleepless nights. They weren't just friends, they were family. As the business grew, so did expectations. Samantha handled finances and managed clients, and Shrija took care of creative work. At first, everything felt balanced, but slowly, cracks began to appear. Payments were delayed, expenses were unclear. Samantha always said, "Trust me, it's under control." Shrija believed her. After a few days, Shrija noticed unusual transactions but didn't want to create conflict. After all, this was Samantha, the friend who knew her secrets, fears, and failures. One evening, while helping with tax documents, Shrija noticed income reports that didn't match client payments. At first, she ignored it. Doubt hurts more when it involves a friend. But the truth doesn't stay hidden forever. She discovered Samantha had created a parallel account, transferring profits quietly and signing deals under her own name. The company they built together now belonged to one person. The next day, Shrija confronted Samantha. She didn't deny it. Instead, she laughed nervously and said, "I deserve it more. I worked harder. You would have wasted it anyway." The room fell silent. Shrija felt betrayed and foolish. Samantha felt justified. "What about our friendship?" Shrija asked softly. Samantha replied, "Friendship doesn't pay bills." Those words ended years of memories. Shrija felt betrayed not by the loss of money, but by the loss of memories. Nights spent dreaming together, promises whispered under hostile lights. The business collapsed. Legal fights followed. But what hurt them most was losing someone she trusted with her life. Shrija stopped believing in people and trusting smiles. Samantha moved on, richer, but alone. Years passed. Samantha tried reaching out. Apologies came, heavy with regret. But some doors, once closed by betrayal, don't reopen. Shrija rebuilt her life, slower, wiser, stronger. She learned that true friends don't compete in secret, don't steal in silence, and don't justify betrayal with ambition. And somewhere deep inside, she understood a painful truth. Not everyone who walks with you is walking for you.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a magical day.